How to turn on or off camera use volume up for brush shots in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera and press and hold on your camera capture button. And if you want to turn off your camera brush sound, then simply open settings and scroll down and click on camera. After clicking on camera, then here you can see the option use volume up for burst. If you want to turn it off, then simply turn this button off, and if you want to turn the camera use volume up burst shots on, then simply turn this button on. So this is the way to turn on or off camera use volume up for burst shots in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.